Hello students, so let's continue with the MCQs. The first MCQ for today is an object at a distance of 60 centimeter from a concave mirror gets its image at the same point. The focal length will be, there are 4 options given. Students, you know that when an object is placed in front of a concave mirror, at any point, image is formed at the same point. This is only possible when the object is placed at center of curvature. Center of curvature, if it is placed, it means object distance will be equal to radius of curvature, that is CP. So, this 60 centimeter is nothing but radius of curvature of the concave mirror. And we know focal length is half of the radius of curvature. So it is 30 centimeter, half of 60 is 30 centimeter, and for concave mirror by sign convention it is negative. So minus 30 centimeter will be the answer. Now the next MCQ is, which can produce a real image for real object? There are 4 options given: plane mirror, concave lens, concave mirror, convex mirror. We know that out of the 3 plane mirrors which are mentioned here, only concave mirror can produce real and inverted images. And concave lens produces only virtual and erect. So, concave mirror is the only correct option here because it can produce real inverted as well as virtual and erect images. Rest 3 will produce only virtual and erect images. Now the next MCQ is, in torches, searchlights and headlights of vehicles, the bulb is placed. See here, vehicle spelling is wrong. Okay. Now the bulb is placed, there are 4 options given. We know that it is directly given in NCERT under the uses of concave mirrors. We know that in torches, searchlights and headlights, concave mirrors are used to get a powerful parallel beam of light, and it is possible only when the bulb is placed at the focus of a concave mirror. So which option will be correct here? B option, very near to the focus of the reflector, and we should know that reflector in this case is a concave mirror. So the next MCQ is, in which of the following the image of an object placed at infinity will be highly diminished and point-sized? Concave mirror, convex lens, concave mirror, concave lens and convex lens, all of these. We know that when an object is placed at infinity, it means parallel rays are coming from it and are incident on any of these mirrors or lens. Then always the rays either meet at focus or appear to meet at focus. It means always highly diminished point size image is formed. It depends. In case of concave mirror, it is real and inverted. In case of convex mirror, it is virtual and erect. Convex lens, real and inverted. So in all the 3 cases in the question, it is given that highly diminished and point sized image. So D is the correct option because in all the cases the image is highly diminished, that is point sized. Now the next MCQ is, an object at a distance of plus 25 centimeter is slowly moved towards the pole of a convex mirror. The image will get. Now remember students, in case of convex mirror, when the object is at infinity, highly diminished virtual erect image is formed at the focus. Okay, and for all other cases, for all other object distances, image is always diminished and it lies close to the convex mirror, closer than the object is. It appears to be closer. Now, so the image will get real. A and C option contains real, so that is wrong. B and D has diminished and virtual, enlarged and virtual. And as we know, convex mirror always gives us diminished images, but in this case remember that when the object at a distance, some distance, is slowly moved towards the pole of a convex mirror, then the image will get enlarged and virtual. Here enlarged does not mean it will be bigger than the object size. It only means the image size will increase, but it will remain virtual only. Now the next MCQ is, when the object distance from the mirror is less than the distance between pole and focus point, the nature of image formed by a convex mirror is. We know that we have recently discussed now, and you should already know it, that the image formed will be virtual, erect and diminished in size. So virtual, upright and diminished in size, it means A option. Okay. So the previous MCQ and this MCQ, they are quite similar. The only difference is, in that case it was mentioned that the distance is changed, the object is moved towards the pole of the convex mirror, and here it is written that the object distance is fixed. It is less than the distance between pole and focal point. That is, object distance is less than the focal length. Now the next MCQ is, the power of lens is measured in. There are 4 options given, 4 units given. We know that power is 1 upon focal length. It is a reciprocal of focal length, and its SI unit is diopter, which is also equal to per meter. But in this now diopter is mentioned, so all the other three options are wrong. Okay, so diopter or per meter is the correct option for power of lens, so C is the correct option. Now the next MCQ is, a convex lens has a focal length of 50 centimeter. Its power is, 4 options given. We know that power is 1 over focal length. It is a reciprocal of focal length when focal length is in meters, and it is 100 over f when f is in centimeters. So here f is in centimeters, so power will be 100 by 50 diopters, that is 2 diopters. So A is the correct option. Now the next MCQ is, magnifying power of a convex lens is. 4 options are here: always greater than 1, always less than 1, always 1, can have any value. Always greater than 1 means always the image is magnified. Always less than 1 means image is always diminished. Always equal to 1 means image is having the same size as that of object. Can have any value means image can be of same size, it can be diminished, it can be enlarged, it can be less than 1, greater than 1 or equal to 1. We know that magnifying power, or here magnification, is the ratio of height of image to height of object, and convex lens can produce real inverted images which are diminished as or enlarged, or it can also produce virtual, erect and magnified images. So we can say magnifying power of a convex lens can have any value. The last MCQ for today is, the nature of the image formed by a concave mirror when the object is placed between the focus and center of curvature of the mirror observed by us is. So if your concepts are clear, you should not have any difficulty, because this is the case when real, inverted and enlarged images formed by the concave mirror. We know that beyond C it is real, inverted, diminished. At C, real, inverted, same size. Between C and F, real, inverted, enlarged. And remember, when the object is at infinity, real, inverted, highly diminished. And only in one case, when the object is lying between focus and pole, image is virtual, erect and magnified. So here the object is placed between focus and center of curvature, so image should be real, inverted and enlarged. So B is the correct option. Hope the MCQs are clear, students. So goodbye. See you in the next video.